Who actually builds our hiking trails? I talked to master trail builder Ron Webster, who's been designing and building trails for more than 40 years. Ron, what makes a good trail?
Well, one answer to a good trail is a trail people will want to use and will use. You want the trail to be sustainable, you want the trail to be beautiful, and you want the trail to lay lightly on the land.
Trail building's been called both an art and a science. The science is kind of obvious with all the engineering that goes into building a pathway. Is there a trail builder's art?
It's something that's kind of lost in these days. I know you from way back. We like to go on a trail and we like the beautiful experience and the aesthetics of the woods. But there are people like to ride horses and mountain bikes. We're not certified artists and everything, and yet it's creative.
What's it like for you to see so many hikers taking pleasure from trails that you build?
I kind of enjoy seeing people walk all over my best work.